Ocean Breeze Fun Park, August 2012. Bye guys! Green slide, rolling. Have a good day here at Ocean Breeze Fun Park, August 2012. 90-some degrees today. Not a cloud in the sky. Nice tube. Don't really want to go backwards. I don't think I got a choice. Whew. Rocking and rolling. Here's behind me. So here we are at Ocean Breeze, riding the green tube, having fun, coming to the end. Yay! Now we're gonna wait for the rest of them. Here comes Jonathan. And next here comes Susan. And then we should have Lori coming. And here's Lori coming. We got the whole gang. Oh good, she didn't flip.
Yeah.
No crying this ride, that's a good thing.